There are so many people talking about making money while you sleep, but how do you know if these opportunities for passive income are a scam or if they're the real deal? Hey, I'm Cassie. Welcome to Passively Ever After, where I teach you the strategies that I use to make passive income myself. When I was wanting to start making passive income, I was watching videos and reading things and trying to find different opportunities to make passive income. And let me tell you, some of those things seemed downright illegal. So I want to help you be able to weed through the things and spot a scam and know which things you can do without getting in trouble. After all, we're all trying to create a life that we love and have freedom. We don't want to end up with more problems on top of that. So let's talk about how you can spot these scams. The first thing I want to say is use your intuition. Your gut will tell you so much if something seems wrong or right, if you just pay attention. So check in with yourself and see, what is your gut telling you? Does it seem too good to be true is another one. A lot of these things say you can make X amount of dollars in 5 minutes, every 5 minutes, or whatever. If it seems too good to be true, it usually is too good to be true and probably is a scam. The next one is, do you have to go to multiple websites and put this thing in here and put this thing in here and do this? And is it also to go along with that? Are they trying to make it seem like you're the one selling it yourself rather than referring to someone? I see a lot of this weird stuff with affiliate marketing techniques. You know, you don't have to have an audience. All you have to do is these 10 steps for each thing. So I actually saw a video a while back, and I mean, I think it's a legit way to make money, but it's super scammy. So basically the guy was like, you had to go put information in all these different sites, and it was for your affiliate link. But then you had to go and email people to go to this weird site that had a pop-up with your affiliate link. Avoid those kind of things. Like, you don't want to try to trick someone into buying something and thinking that you're the actual person selling it. Like, be upfront with people. For instance, I have affiliate links in the description of this video. You can go down there and see them, and you'll see that it'll say what it is, what if it's a free trial or whatever. And then I disclose, because legally you do have to disclose when it's an affiliate link. So I disclose in my YouTube description that those are affiliate links. The next one is, does it involve you selling anyone's information, stealing information off the internet, scraping content off the internet, anything like that? That's a scam for sure. Does it sound like a get-rich-quick scheme? Because if it does, it's probably a scam. The next one is, do you have to pay to join? Like, do you have to pay something in order to promote the product? Do you have to pay something to join a program in order to do this? Is the person who's trying to sell you on this idea showing like flashy cars and mansions and things like that on social media? Because usually those are big old scammers. And I'm not saying people should never share like their success, but I think you can tell when someone's trying to make it seem like they're something that they're not. Sharing authentically your successes and what you're able to get with the money that you make is one thing, but we've all seen the like ads and things like that with the flashy things that try to entice you and think that you're gonna get rich in a hurry. Whether it's a scam or it's not a scam, the most important thing is, does it feel good to you? Would you be embarrassed for people to know that you're doing this? Because if you don't feel good about it, your mindset is not going to be right at all, and it's not going to work anyway. But you have to feel good about what you do for a living or anything in your life. Just make sure to check in with yourself about how you feel about it. Like if your friends and family knew what you were doing, do you feel comfortable with that? Are you proud of that? Now, when people start something new, especially like a new business of their own, a lot of times you feel like you don't want to share it with people, like they're going to judge you or whatever. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about, do you feel like what you're doing is wrong and you don't want people to know about it? So I hope these tips help you avoid passive income scams and find a legit passive income strategy. I share passive income strategies on this channel, and I'm going to be sharing lots more in the future. I've done lots of different things and I want to share those with you. They're all legit, they're not weird, they're not scammy. So if you're into that, hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.